All right, ladies and gentlemen, for this video, we're going over how to do your Greek God brainstorming. So right at the top of your paper, I want you to label your paper Greek God Brainstorming. Then the next thing I want you to do on this page, right under that, is I want you to divide it into 3 columns this way. They don't have to be exactly even, but the evener the better. And then 3 columns this way. So what you're going to do on this worksheet, in the first column, you are going to list Greek gods. So you're going to do one in each. So I could put Poseidon, I could put Artemis, I could put Zeus. Zeus. All right, so I've got my 3 Greek gods listed. The next column is going to be, so remember, these are going to be modernized, so we can even write that up here. Modern Greek God brainstorming. So we're modernizing these Greek gods. So then in this box, I want you to come up with a set of clothing. That means shirt, bottom, whether it's pants or a skirt, and shoes. So a full set of clothing that is modern. So if I go back to my original idea from my modern uses, and I say Poseidon is a fisherman. So what would a fisherman wear on the top? He might wear like a rain slicker. Now this doesn't have to be too super. So I'm just kind of brainstorming what it might look like. It doesn't have to be super detailed. And I can even label these here. Raincoat. And then a fisherman might wear those kind of overalls, those like deep wader pants, waders. And then he might have big, like the boots like we wear at Outdoor Ed to go into the river. Okay, so I've got a modern set of clothing. So I'm making him my fisherman. My last column is accessories, and you need 2 of them for each god. So if you've got to think about what would this person hold in their hands, what would they have maybe on their head, what might they have by their feet. So I think since I'm going with a fisherman, I think I'm going to go with a fishing line. So I've got my fishing line with my hook. And maybe the other thing I have is a bucket. So at his feet, maybe there'll be a bucket that has a fish in it. So this is just brainstorming. This is just, and if it's hard to tell what it is, I can label it bucket with fish. Okay, so for your modern Greek brainstorming, you need to come up with 3 gods or goddesses. You can flip, so you can gender flip, so you could make a male Artemis or a female Poseidon.